Today talking about Turbo token. Turbo, you guys, sitting here at, let me refresh this really quickly, 0.004086 at the time of this video. $281 million market cap, you guys. Holder count continues to grow, 57,000. I think it actually might be a little higher than this. I'm not sure how accurate it is. Or I guess it is pretty accurate. 57,197 holders of Turbo token, you guys. And at the time of me recording this video, we are getting the Fed meeting here in the United States, the FOMC meeting on if they are going to cut rates. I think many analysts, right, people that study these types of things are like 95% sure that Jerome Powell here is going to cut the rates here in the US, which many are predicting the market to really pump after that does get announced. Obviously, I don't think, in my opinion at least, again, this is not financial advice, but the rates, if they do cut the rates, right, I do think we see a mini pump, but I think it will position the market overall for us to really enter that bull run, essentially, that we've all been waiting for here. We just look at the crypto market as a whole, and it really is, in my opinion, from what we've seen, it's looking like altcoin season. I mean, we look at 70 of 100 altcoin season index. We look at the last 90 days, it's pretty much at its peak. I mean, it hit 72 here. And if you look back here, when it was 87, altcoin season, December 3rd of 2024. If we go back to December 3rd of 2024, the price of Turbo token, if we look at the last year on the charts really quickly, let me just go to it real quick, to December 2nd of 2024, right? It coincides with Turbo absolutely starting to rip, right? And then very closely after, Turbo's all-time high here came on December 11th of 2024, right? So this altcoin season index obviously is a great indicator on where things are headed in the market. Bitcoin dominance continues to trickle down. Ethereum is staying stagnant, but again, these rate cuts is what is really going to propel, I think, the markets, all equity markets, stock market as well, into that next level, into that next phase of where we want it to be for Turbo token. Now, obviously, we need Ethereum to continue to do well, 4,400 for Ethereum. When we talk about Turbo, right, and we compare it to Pepe, which I've done this before, I feel like I've done this like quite a bit, actually, when I do talk about Turbo, because Pepe is a good indicator, right? Obviously, Turbo is a lot different than Pepe. Pepe has 485,000 holders, etc. But just how quickly these things can kind of change and how quickly these coins can run up in market cap, right? We look at Pepe's all-time chart, right? Pepe went from let's just give it here, 1.4 billion market cap in April of 24 to a, sorry, I gotta go to market cap. What am I doing here? Sorry, Pepe went from a $576 million market cap in April to a $10.4 billion market cap in December. Even if you look at this space here, it went from a 2.79 billion, so let's just say 3 billion, to a 10 billion market cap from September 6th to December 13th, right? So literally September, October, November, December, basically around 3-4 months, it ran up 7 billion in market cap. And that was not in what many consider altcoin season, many consider a bull market, right? So it is very possible for Turbo to reach those levels, right? A 16x from here for Turbo is a 4.6 billion market cap. Just a 4.6 billion market cap is a 6 cents price. Pepe's all-time high obviously is around 10-11 billion. 40x from here would be 16 cents for Turbo, which would absolutely be tremendous, I think, for a lot of Turbo holders. I think any market that you put your money into and you can see a 40x, I'm not giving that as my price prediction here, but I think 7, 8, 9, 10 cents at a peak of a bull market for Turbo is extremely attainable, in my opinion. Again, that is absolutely not financial advice, but again, making this video day before the Fed meeting, want to get this video out. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about Turbo. Also, you guys take a look in the description below, hop into the Discord, brand new Discord, looking to just get a community of like-minded investors in there. Hope to see you guys in there, link in the description below as well. Please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.